Hi guys, so today we are making a delicious snack, cabbage veggie cutlets. These crispy and flavorful cutlets are perfect vegetarian option, packed with goodness. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of making these veggie cutlets. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take a large bowl. Add 2 cups cabbage finely chopped. Add some salt to taste. Half cup carrots cut in small cubes, half cup French beans finely cut, handful of chopped coriander leaves, 1 onion chopped, 1 whole egg, 1 green chilli chopped, 3 garlic cloves chopped, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half tablespoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon garam masala, half tablespoon vegetable masala, and then give it a nice mix. Squeeze the cabbage until it starts to release water. As you can see that the cabbage has released its water. Then add 1 cup semolina or Rawa, add more if required. 2 tablespoon rice flour. Mix it until everything comes together. As you can see that the semolina is nicely combined with the cabbage. If you want to add some more semolina, then do add it to the mix. So the mix is ready to shape into the cutlets. Then rest the mix for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then shape the cutlets as shown. Then in a hot pan add oil. And fry the cutlets until crispy and golden brown. Make sure to keep the flame on medium to low. Then turn it around and fry it on the other side. And there you have it guys, a delicious batch of cabbage veggie cutlets. These crispy and flavorful cutlets are perfect for a quick and easy snacks or a tasty side dish. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And if you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.